Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
Right here has got a DC 5K, running a pair of level 6s. And then I got the DC Audio 1000.4 on the mids and highs with the DC Audio 8-inch coaxes.
Wow.
It's got a psychoacoustics port.
Nice. Is there a way I can see the port in the back?
Oh, absolutely. Oh yeah, trust me, you will.
Okay, got it. So do you demo this more? Is it made for outside showcase, or is it made to have one person just sit in the front, or is it all of the above, just everything?
It's all out.
All out, all right, nice.
Stock alternator.
Uh-huh.
Seriously?
Really?
Yes.
How are you doing that? Is it just a good lithium bank, or?
Got a 120 amp hour underneath that you don't, see.
Okay, yeah. Nice.
I don't, there's no battery in front at all.
Wow. Can I see underneath the hood?
Huh?
Do you have anything under the hood I can see, or no? Nothing really? Nothing added, just stock.
It's
Wow.
all stock.
That's awesome.
It charges, I just did a module on it, and it charges 15.5 now.
Really? Wow. So what is your amplifier wired to on the subs?
Half.
Half of them? Got
And
it.
I competed yesterday in the lanes,
Uh-huh.
and that's a DC 5K.
Yes, sir.
It did 5,075.
Oh, wow. So we're at overrated power. Nice. What are these subwoofers, the RMS on these? Pretty beefy.
4,500 each.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah, I'm barely tickling them.
Yeah. How did you make that port? It seemed like metal.
That's a psychoacoustics port.
Really?
They're not made anymore. That's,
Wow.
matter of fact, that's the last port he made.
Can I see it again, just to kind of see it without the plan? Wow, I've never seen a metal port like that. They're all been made with PVC or plastic. That's impressive. Man, that's awesome. Is this a 8-inch?
Yeah, 8.75.
8.75. Nice. Do you know what your tuning is on this?
About 29.
29? Okay.
29, 30.
30? Yes, sir. Awesome.
I ain't never did before on this. Let's go. So let's get high, let's get high, baby. Top, break it down for a player like me. I'm about to find me a woman and see. I'ma keep smoking till I reach my peak. Or till I'm stuck and my body feels weak. Headed down to the dungeon, wondering if they got some more. And if they don't, then I'ma have to settle for some drool. And it just ain't cool, cause right on after I'ma have to go. Continue on my mission, fishing for the young, but I'm moving slow. Baby, trip down to the school. Hurry, please, 'cause I need some snacks. And how long will it take to get back? Yes, indeed, I'm a little off track. Off this weed, and I'm full of that yak. And ride, ain't enough room to fit other chicks inside. I'm so hungry with the munchies, everything's together and everything's alright. I'ma keep smoking till I reach my peak. Or till I'm stuck and my body feels weak. Headed down to the dungeon, wondering if they got some more. And if they don't, then I'ma have to settle for some drove. And it just ain't cool, cause right on after I'ma have to go and continue on my mission, fishing for the yum, but I'm
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.